welcome back to my channel, and this is Jasbir. So today's video is all about the budgeted skincare product. This is gonna be one of my favorite videos that I'm doing with you because the products that I'm gonna show you is all made in India. There is nothing made in China because we all know that we have to say no to China products and adopt our Indian brand products. Before jumping into the video, like I always say, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also to press the bell icon to get more notification when I upload a new video. All the products that I'm going to show you in this video would be in the range of 100 to 200 rupees. This video is gonna be very helpful for all of us, especially for the teenagers who want to buy the budgeted skincare product for themselves. So let's begin with the first product, and that is from Dabur Gulabari. You guys know how much I love this product. I use as a cleanser, toner, to clean my makeup, everything. And it is 100 ml bottle, cost is rupees 75. And the most convenient thing I like in this product is the spray bottle. The product doesn't spill anywhere and it's not. Second cleanser that I swear by is from Biotech, and it is Bioberry. If I can show you this product, Biotech from Bioberry. It is a hydrating cleanser. It is suitable for all the skin type. It is natural, it is Ayurvedic. This is 120 ml bottle and it cost 170. Trust me guys, this is one of the best cleanser I have ever used, and this leaves the skin very refreshing, makes it feel fresh. And because it contains methi seeds, first of all it contains Indian berries in it. It contains almond oil, and this leaves the skin very refreshing and removes the makeup very gently and very nicely. So if you're really looking, I know it's a bit expensive but it is worth buying it. And if you're looking for a budgeted cleanser in Indian products, this is one of the best I would suggest you. You can get it from any medical store or any Ayurvedic shop. You can get this product, or you can also order it online from Nykaa. Nykaa, they always have offers, so you can get this product from Nykaa very. If you're really looking for a budgeted face wash, I can suggest you to buy products from Himalaya. So here I'm using Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash, which removes the excess oil from your skin. If you really have an oily skin, you can go for this product. It is 100 ml bottle which costs 120 rupees, and it has got lemon in it which acts as an astringent, and it has also got honey which gives you a natural look and also deep cleanses your face. So if you're really having oily skin, you can try this product. And the second one is, if you're really looking for a fairness, instant fairness and glow, you can use the Fairness Kesar face wash, which gives you an instant fairness, and it is 50 ml bottle which costs 70 rupees. It has got kesar, milk, honey to give you a fresh look, a glowing face and an instant, and it will help you to remove the complexion. So you can try these two products, and I swear by it, these products are really helpful. And they have also got an option of neem face wash which suits all the skin type. So you can check out their stores and you can find whichever face wash is suitable for your skin type. Let's move on with our third product, and that is for scrubbing. For scrubbing, I use Patanjali face scrub apricot with wheat gram and aloe vera. It is very gentle on the skin. It helps to remove the dead skin and exfoliate the skin very well. Deep cleanses the skin also. It is 50 gram product, cost 60 rupees, and I swear by it. I've almost finished it and I'm thinking to buy it again. The second face scrub that I use a lot is from Himalaya, the neem scrub. It has got antibacterial properties. It is 50 gram bottle which costs 75 rupees. It purifies your skin, cleans it very well, deep cleans it very well because it has got neem in it, and you know how neem is very helpful our skin. And it also got apricot. The apricot granules helps to remove, exfoliate the skin very well. So if you're looking something like that, which if you have acne on your skin, so if you're looking something to heal your acne and pimples, then please do try Himalayan neem face. The next product that I really love to use a lot, that is from Himalaya, the tan removal peel off mask. I love this product because it helps to remove the tan from my skin. It cost 135 rupees, and it is 100 gram in a tube. It removes the tan from your skin. It cleans your pores, whatever dust you have in your pores. In a week, if you use it twice, you can feel the difference. So if you are suffering from tan, do use this. The next product that I really swear by is from Patanjali Multani Mitti face pack, which contains mineral clay and aloe vera in it. I really swear by it because you guys know that I have an oily skin, and this one is the savior for my skin. It is 60 gram product cost of 60 rupees. It is really worth buying it. And you know, Patanjali products are really nice and they are Indian, they are made in India, natural products, and it's really helpful. So if you really have a oily skin, do try this aloe vera, do try this multani mitti. The next product is also from Himalaya, and I swear by that I love Himalayan products. It is a body lotion which contains it is a body lotion from Himalaya which contains the grapeseed and almond oil, which soothes and softens your body, and it also have hydration properties and nutrition properties which is contained in this body lotion. It is 200 ml bottle which cost 140 rupees, and trust me guys, this body lotion is not at all sticky. It really absorbs in your body very well, and if you have the habit of always moisturizing your hands and everything, you can use this product. I swear by it, and I really love the smell of it. It's very nice, so you can try this product. It's very very worth it. Next product, you guys know that I'm so in love with aloe vera gel. So here I'm using Patanjali's aloe vera gel. I've got two of these. One is the normal one, the green one, and another one is Saundarya aloe vera gel, which contains kesar and chandan in it. You guys know the benefits of aloe vera gel. It acts as a primer. You can use it as a sunscreen. It has got all the benefits, and you guys know that how much I love this product. So both the products are 150 ml. This one cost 90 rupees and this one cost 100 rupees, and it's worth buying it because it is really helpful. You can use it in all your skin routines. The last product that I'm going to show you is from Nature's. It is all-purpose cream which contains almond and honey and vitamin oil. It comes in this small container, and this is really handy. Whenever you're traveling, you can put it in your bag and you're good to go. You can moisturize your hands, your face with this because it's, as it says, all-purpose cream. It is 100 gram which costs 70 rupees, and I think it's worth buying it because it lasts for 2 to 3 months. It is really nice. I really like the smell of it. So you can try this one if you're really trying to buy something which is handy. So you can try this cream. So yeah, that was it in this video. So I've shared all the skincare products, the budgeted one, which you can easily buy from your near drugstores, and it is really easy and convenient. All the products are really worth buying it, and they are really in budget, and they last for 2 to 3 months, and they are really helpful for your skin. And if you really are not looking into an expensive products, you can really go for it. All the products are made in India, and they are natural and Ayurvedic, and they are really helpful for our skin. If you like my video, then don't forget to turn the black thumb blue, and also do share my video with your friends. I will see you soon again in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you all.